If you're dealing with Chrome crashing on Windows, you know how frustrating it can be, especially when it interrupts your work or browsing session. In this tutorial, I'm going to walk you through a step-by-step process to fix those crashes, covering both basic troubleshooting and more advanced solutions. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what to do whenever Chrome misbehaves, and hopefully, you'll have it running smoothly again. Let's jump right in, starting with some quick and basic fixes. First up, restart Chrome. Simply close all your browser windows and tabs, give it a second, and then open Chrome back up. Sometimes, just this fresh start can resolve a momentary glitch. If you find Chrome is still acting up, the next step is to restart your computer. It might sound obvious, but a reboot can clear out temporary memory problems, and it's actually one of the most effective troubleshooting tricks out there. Now, check if you have a lot of tabs open or if other apps are running in the background. Chrome can be a bit of a memory hog, especially with multiple tabs. Try closing any tabs you don't absolutely need, and shut down background applications if possible. This helps lighten the load on your system and can prevent crashes caused by resource overload. Think of it like clearing off the kitchen counter before cooking. It gives you more space to work and makes everything run more smoothly. Extensions are another common culprit. They add functionality, but sometimes they conflict with Chrome or even with each other. Head to your extensions page and disable them one at a time, testing Chrome after each change. If you notice the problem goes away, you've probably found the culprit. For a quick check, you can open Chrome in incognito mode, which disables extensions by default. If it runs better there, that's a sure sign an extension is the issue. If basic troubleshooting didn't solve it, let's move to more advanced steps. Clearing your browser cache and cookies can do wonders. Over time, these build up and can corrupt browser processes. Just go to Chrome's settings, click Privacy and Security, then Clear Browsing Data. Select cache and cookies and clear them out. Don't worry, you won't lose your important bookmarks or saved passwords unless you choose to. Next up, make sure Chrome is up to date. Outdated versions often clash with Windows updates or site features. In Settings, click About Chrome, and Chrome will check for updates automatically. If there's an update available, let it install. It only takes a minute, and it can make a big difference. Hardware acceleration can also be a problem, especially if your computer has older graphics hardware or recent driver issues. In Chrome's settings, go to System and turn off Use Hardware Acceleration when available. Give Chrome a restart and see if stability improves. It's a good idea to run a malware scan using a reliable antivirus program. Malware can destabilize Chrome and even compromise your security. This part may take a few minutes, but it's important. Consider it a deep cleaning for your computer. If the crashes persist, reset Chrome's settings. Go to Settings, then Advanced, Reset, and Cleanup, and click Restore settings to their original defaults. This will reset things like your startup page and search engine, disable extensions, and clear temporary data. But your long-term data, like bookmarks, stays safe. If you're worried, Chrome will list exactly what gets reset. Sometimes, other programs can cause conflicts. Chrome has a built-in tool for this. Just go to Reset and Cleanup, and click Clean Up Computer. It'll scan for software that might be causing problems and offer to remove anything harmful. Still not working? Let's go deeper. Try creating a new Chrome user profile. This helps determine if your current profile is the issue. If Chrome works fine with a fresh profile, there might have been corruption in your original settings or data. As a last resort, reinstall Chrome. Uninstall it first, and before you do, consider backing up any important data, especially if you have passwords or bookmarks not synced to your Google account. After reinstalling, you'll start fresh, and many persistent problems will disappear. And finally, make sure your Windows operating system and graphics drivers are up to date. Compatibility is key. Outdated drivers or systems can create all sorts of browser issues. Alright, that's a complete workflow to tackle Chrome crashes on Windows. Try these steps in order and you'll probably find one that fixes your issue. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video, drop a comment below with any questions or your own tips, and subscribe for more step-by-step guides. Thanks for watching and good luck getting Chrome back up and running.